AutoCAD P&ID includes the ribbon tabs, drawing tabs, and palettes to help you complete your work efficiently. These important features are reviewed in this lesson to help you gain a basic understanding of how they work. Ribbon interfaces are used in a wide variety of applications. The advantage to this type of interface is that it locates common tools in the same general area. While most new Microsoft-compliant applications have an application menu and ribbon, every program can tailor the interface as needed for their specific tools. Therefore, an application such as AutoCAD or Revit has a similar look or feel to Word and Excel. The most common parts of this interface include tabs, panels, and tools. The tab replaces the old pull-down menus found in older applications. A tab is a graphic menu as opposed to a text list. Each tab contains panels, which are used to group similar tools. Panels can be moved to accommodate the order in which the tools appear on the ribbon. Tabs can also be turned on and off as needed, and minimized to titles or just buttons. Look at the ribbon interface for AutoCAD P&ID. The Home tab is the primary location for tools that are specific to AutoCAD P&ID. This ribbon includes 5 primary panels: Project, P&ID, Schematic Line, Line Group, and Validate. Each of these tools have a specific purpose when used to create process piping and instrumentation diagrams. To run a tool from the ribbon, you select it. For example, select the Project Manager tool on the Project panel. Since this is a flyout, additional tools are available, including Open Project, New Project, and Project Setup. Each of these tools performs specific project tasks. Since this program is based on AutoCAD P&ID, you can also type in commands or use the tool palettes to activate similar commands. To see a list of commands that relate to AutoCAD P&ID, go to the Help section toolbar directly above the ribbon. Type in command and then press Enter for the search to start. Since Help is web-based, Internet Explorer automatically opens. Select the topic, Commands. An alphabetic list of the commands appear. Select the P commands list. A list appears of all commands that begin with P that are related to the program, along with a description of the command. Close the application window and return to AutoCAD P&ID. On the ribbon, select the Minimize to Panel Buttons tool. This is a toggle that allows you to jump between different versions of the ribbon. The first time this is selected, the ribbon is reduced to display only the panels, and not the individual tools. Click the tool again, and now the titles of the panels appear at the top of the screen. Click the tool again, and only the tab titles appear. To return to the original display, you can click the tool again or select the arrow to open the flyout. The flyout allows you to pick the setting you want. Click the tool to return to the full ribbon. You are now a ribbon customization expert. Well, almost. Since this is AutoCAD, there's a great deal more you can do to the ribbon, but since you're focusing on AutoCAD P&ID, go back to the subject of the ribbon. The remainder of the tabs and panels are the same ones that are used in base AutoCAD. The Insert, Annotate, Manage, View, Output, Add-ins, Autodesk 360, Vault, Featured Apps, and Express Tools are all loaded when you install the application. You may have additional tabs, such as BIM 360 available, depending on any other Autodesk applications you may have installed on your system. Having these tools available allows you to work on non-diagram specific drawings as well, so it's great to have them here. One part of the AutoCAD P&ID interface that you will use frequently are the tool palettes. Each workspace includes a series of sample tools that are used in a diagram. These tools are organized to include tools based on industry standard symbols. For example, check your workspace and make sure it's set to P&ID PIP. The Lines tab includes tools for creating schematic lines for piping and instrumentation. Place your cursor over a tool without selecting it, and a description appears. To change how the icons appear, right-click in an open area on the palette. Click View Options. You can set the size of the icons with the slider bar. You can also adjust the view style by selecting from Icon Only, Icon with Text, or List View. Click List View. Under Apply To, select All Palettes. Click OK and note the changes. You now have a description to go with the icon. Review the other tabs, including Equipment, Valves, Fittings, Instruments, and Non-Engineering Items. You can create new tabs and add or remove items at any time. The last option to adjust is related to the Drawing Tabs feature, which displays a tab at the top of the drawing window. While this tool is not controlled by the workspace settings, it can be very helpful. Tabs identify the current drawing, and additional tabs appear when you have more than one drawing open. Place your cursor over the Drawing tab and right-click. A menu appears, which allows you to create new drawings, open existing drawings, save all, or close all drawings. When working in the AutoCAD P&ID environment, do not use the New or Open options, as this will not create the drawings in the proper environment. But you can use this tool to save all open drawings or close all. This is a real time saver. To toggle the drawing tabs on or off, select the View tab. The File Tabs tool is located on the User Interface panel. Click the File Tabs tool and the tabs are turned off. You can turn them back on by simply clicking this tool again. Take the time to familiarize yourself with these tools. Throughout this course, you'll be working with all of them in much greater detail. The more you use them, the easier this program gets.